Today's topic is present perfect continuous tense. Subject teacher Kamal Bansi Najam. Present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous is used for an action which began at some time in the past and still is happening. Action happened in the past, but that action still is happening. At that time, we have to use present perfect continuous tense. Try to understand it well. When the present perfect continuous tense, we have to use when an action which began at some time in the past and still is happening. Present perfect continuous tense. For present perfect continuous tense, have been and has been, we have to use and verb with ing plus since or for. In this tense, we have to select have been or has been and since or for. We have to select that. Present perfect continuous tense. For present perfect, have been or has been, and for continuous, verb ing. Read it well. Use of have been and use of has been. In present perfect continuous tense, we have to use. But when we have to use have been and when we have to use has been, it is very simple. When the subjects are, you, we, they, Kedar and Kavita, we have to use have, and in this tense, we have to use have been. When the subjects are he, she, it, Kedar, Kavita, we have to use has, and in this tense, present perfect continuous tense, we have to use has been. Present perfect continuous tense, in this tense, we have to use since or for. When we have to use since and when we have to use for, so let's see this table. Use of since, exact point of time, and use of for, duration of time. Use of since, name of the day, name of the month, name of the year, parts of the day, for example, morning, evening, afternoon. O'clock, for example, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock, AM, PM, 5 AM, 5 PM. Name of the season, name of the event, stage of one's life, for example, childhood, name of festival, yesterday, last week, last month. Now see use of for, duration of time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days or months, years, weeks, hours, minutes, decades, centuries, a long time, a while, a moment. Perfect. Continuous tense. Structure of the sentence. Subject plus have been or has been plus verb ing plus object plus since or for plus time. This is the structure of the sentence. These sentences. I have been doing my homework since morning. You have been growing these plants for 2 months. You have been dancing since 2 o'clock. We have been teaching since 2000. They have been building the bridge for 7 months. More sentences. He has been playing since afternoon. She has been decorating her house for 2 weeks. It has been weaving its nest for 5 days. Kedar has been cleaning the pots since morning. Kavita has been watering the plants since 10 o'clock. Continuous tense. We are going to learn negative sentences. We have to add not in it. The structure of the sentence: subject plus have or has plus not plus been plus verb ing plus object plus since or for plus time. Very simple structure. We have to use not after have or has, and been plus verb ing come together. Model sentences. Negative sentences are as follows. I have not been working since morning. You have not been playing since afternoon. You have not been playing cricket for 2 years. We have not been dancing since 10 o'clock. He has not been teaching since 2012. She has not been singing since 2018. Kedar has not been attending karate class for 2 months. Continuous tense. Interrogative sentences. Verbal questions. Structure of the question: have or has plus subject plus been plus verb ing plus object plus since or for plus time. We have to begin our sentence, or you can say our question, with have or has. WH question. The structure of the question is since when plus has or have plus subject plus been plus verb ing plus object. For how long plus has or have plus subject plus been plus verb ing plus object. Here in these questions we have to begin our question with since when or for how long. Learn it well. we have to begin our question with since when or for how long. Continuous tense. Verbal questions are here. See model sentences or questions. Structure of the question. Have or has plus subject plus been plus verb ing plus object plus since or for plus time. Have you been working since evening? Have they been repairing their boats since Monday? Had she been reading this poem for 2 hours? Has he been cutting the grass for half an hour? Has Kedar been teaching his friends since June? Present perfect continuous tense. Next model sentences. Questions. These are WH questions. Structure of the question. Since when plus have or has plus subject plus been plus verb ing plus object. Or for how long plus has or have plus subject plus been plus verb ing plus object. Let's see model questions. Since when have you been dancing? Since when have they been quarreling? Since when has she been helping the institution? For how long have they been working? For how long has he been composing music? For how long has Kedar been learning French? Today in this lesson we have learned present perfect continuous tense. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. You have learned this tense very well. Read all the model sentences, model questions again and again. Then you will learn it very well. Thank you. Goodbye.